For creating stairs, we need add a cube and scale it. GY, move it G direction, and adjust scale. For X, we need 1.3 meter. For Y, 0.3, and for Z, 0.3. Okay. 0.25 for Z. GUI. Okay, and we need a modifier. Add an array modifier. Z1 and Y1, and add count. Okay, GY, GY, reduce to 8, move it and move it in Z direction. Okay, and move in X direction. Okay, add Shift S, move cursor here, Shift S. Okay, and create another, add another cube, scale it. Okay, G and X, move it in X direction. And scale in X direction, scale in Z direction. First, go to edit mode, face, and select this face and move origin to this face. Okay, and SZ, object mode, SZ, yeah. Okay, adjust Z direction 0.8 and S in scale in Y direction, and add a modifier, array modifier. Y1 and Z1. Sorry. Y5 and Z 0.5, 0.6, okay, 0.55, 0.65, okay, and add counts. And we need another cube, scale, and SZ, scale, Shift Z, SX, okay, and go to edit mode, select this face and set origin to this face and rotate, sorry, go to object mode, rotate, and G, rotate, and move. Okay, front view, move in X direction. Okay, and select shift stealth and shift D. Shift D, GX, another side, duplicate it into another side, and we have stairs. Thanks.